This is How to Avoid Probate. I'm Taylor Kaspar, estate planning attorney, and I help families stay out of court and conflict through comprehensive estate planning. So today I'm going to talk to you about how to avoid probate, because a lot of items that have paper ownership, like a deed, a title to your car, or some other way where we can designate who owns the asset, like bank accounts and things like that. If you die without any estate planning and you don't own those assets jointly with somebody else, or there's no beneficiary on them, they're going to go through the process at the courthouse and through the district courts called probate. Obviously, a lot of people want to avoid anything to do with the courts if they can avoid it, especially because probate can tie up your assets for months and months and months and have your loved one footing the bill to get them out of the probate process. So here are 4 things that you can do to avoid probate. Number 1 is you can take everything that has the ability to have a beneficiary designation and you can put a beneficiary designation on it, keep it up to date, and make sure that somebody over the age of 18 is your beneficiary on that account, that life insurance, that retirement, so that it can pass effectively and seamlessly to that person when you die. Number 2, if you're married, you can own all of your property jointly with a spouse, and your spouse will have right of survivorship. So when you die, those assets will pass directly to your spouse without the need for a probate. Number 3 is for all of your real property, which is a highly probated asset through the courts, you can do a transfer on death deed. So that's your house, your cabin, and any plots of land. You can get a deed drafted through and then record it with the county, and then it will skip the probate process and pass directly to whoever you've designated on that deed when you die. The 4th thing that you can do is you can draft a revocable living trust and transfer all of your assets into the trust and effectively avoid probate that way. If you found this content useful and you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you like this video and you subscribe to my channel so that you can continue to get more and more information about the things that might be relevant to you. And then, of course, if you have any questions about anything I've said here today about probate or about any of the topics covered, make sure to follow the link below to book yourself a no charge, no obligation 15-minute phone call with me so I can answer whatever questions you might have.